In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set up email forwarding in Gmail. Whether you want to send emails from one account to another automatically or just manage multiple accounts efficiently, this is the perfect solution. So first of all, log into your Gmail account. Start by logging in, and where you want to enable forwarding, then in the upper right corner, click on the gear icon and then select See All Settings from the drop-down. Once you're in Settings, click on the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab in the top. Then under the Forwarding section, click on Add a Forwarding Address. A pop-up window will appear, so enter the email address to which you want to forward your Gmail messages, then click Next and proceed. Gmail will send a confirmation code to that email address. Go to the inbox of the forwarding email address and find the confirmation email, copy the verification code and enter it to confirm. Now, back in the Forwarding and POP tab, select Forward a copy of incoming mail to. Then from the drop-down, choose whether to keep a copy of the email in your Gmail inbox, archive it, or delete it after forwarding. Once you've selected your preferences, scroll down to the bottom of the pages and click Save Changes. And there you have it, you've successfully set up email forwarding in Gmail. Now all your incoming emails will be forwarded to your chosen account. Don't forget to check the description for more useful Gmail tips. Thanks for watching.